Hi, welcome to Astronomy. Over the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through how you can access the e-text and software you'll be using for this course. This course is enrolled in the First Day program at UCF, and First Day is a great program that gives students easy access to the e-text and also publisher software at the lowest possible price. You'll be accessing the e-text and the software directly through web courses, so there's no need to buy an access code. If you decide to purchase the software, the course materials charges will be placed directly on your student account. Over the next couple of slides, I'll walk you through how you can access all of this. So there's two very important things that you must do before May 21st, which is Sunday. Number one, click on modules. This is where you're going to access the e-text and mastering astronomy. And number two, you'll click on course materials. If you're going to be staying in the course, this is where you can purchase access to the e-text and mastering at a very reduced price, as long as you do it before the opt-in deadline, which is Sunday. The book that's used for this course is The Essential Cosmic Perspective, and assignments will be given in Mastering Astronomies. You'll be accessing the e-text and mastering directly through the modules link in web courses. So step number one, find the modules tab after you log into web courses, and off to the right, look for any of the mastering assignments that your instructor has set up for you, or any of these main buttons. Once you click on these links, the very first time, you're going to have to agree to the terms of use by clicking the button here and then hitting continue. Step two is once you've done step one, look for the course materials tab. And once you do this, a screen something like this will pop up. You'll see the book, and you're also going to see an option to opt in. If you opt in before Sunday's deadline, which is May 21st, you'll be paying 30% less than the national price for this textbook and software, so $52.49. As long as you opt in before Sunday, this reduced fee will be charged directly to your UCF student account, and that should post sometime around May 24th. So one more time, just to be sure, click on course materials, click the opt-in button, and then check your night's email. This is where you'll receive a confirmation email directly from the bookstore that you have opted in. Then you're going to go to access the textbook and mastering to the modules tab. After the drop-in deadline, sometime around May 24th, you should see the charge of that $52.49 appear on your UCF student account. So what happens if you miss the deadline or you don't opt in? Eventually, you're going to lose that open access to the e-text and mastering because it will be discontinued. And you'll see a screen something like this popped up. At this point, the only way to regain access is to go to the bookstore or the bookstore website. So after the deadline, if you did not opt in, you will lose access to the e-text and mastering. In order to purchase, you must go to the UCF bookstore or the bookstore website, but just keep in mind you'll be paying at the higher national price, which is 30% more. Also, it can take 24 to 48 hours to reactivate your account through the bookstore. If you have questions about UCF's First Day program, please contact the bookstore directly at any of these links or this phone number. So if you don't receive your email confirmation, be sure to check with them. If you have questions about mastering or the e-text, you can contact Pearson local team directly during Zoom office hours this very first week of class, or you can fill out for the first week of this form, and we'll get back to you within a day or two. This is for the first week of class. Ongoing support for Pearson is available through the regular support line. You can Google Pearson Tech Support or scan this QR code. Just let the tech service person know that you're using mastering directly integrated with Canvas when they ask. Most issues can be resolved easily just by clearing your cache or updating your browser settings, so be sure to do that. If you do have trouble, reach out to us during the first week of class or contact Pearson Technical Support. I know you'll have a great semester, but reach out if you have any questions.